In today's video, I'll show you how to disable Gutenberg animations to improve performance on your WordPress site. If the editor feels slow or laggy, especially on lower end devices, turning off these animations can make a noticeable difference. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard and head to the Appearance section on the left side. From there, click on Customize to open the WordPress customizer where you can safely make visual and performance tweaks. Once the customizer loads, focus on the menu on the left and scroll down until you find additional CSS. This section allows you to add custom styling rules that override default WordPress behavior. Now, in the additional CSS panel, paste the CSS code that disables animation and transition effects in the Gutenberg editor. This code removes smooth fades, slide-ins, and motion effects that can slow things down. The important rule ensures these changes take priority over WordPress's default styles, so the animations stay fully disabled. After adding the code, look toward the top of the customizer and click the Publish button. This saves your changes and applies them to your site immediately. That's all it takes. By disabling Gutenberg animations, you can enjoy a faster, more responsive editing experience and slightly improved overall performance. Small optimizations like this can add up, especially if you work in the editor frequently. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave a comment if you have questions or want more WordPress performance tips.